How to change flight dates on Kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set your flight dates on Kiwi.com. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Over here I'm on Kiwi.com, and first thing, well, you can go ahead and sign up, and if you haven't created an account on Kiwi.com, you can create that account by clicking the link in the description below. You get a bunch of different bonuses and other benefits as well, like promo codes, discount codes. So do make sure to check out the link in the description and sign up using the link. So once you've signed up, you should be good to go. Right, next you're going to come over here onto this section right here, and here on this bar you can set your departure date. Right, so what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and sign in with Google. All right, now that I'm logged in, we can now go ahead and set a departure date, and you'll also notice that each departure date has different pricing. You can see right here the green ones are the cheapest ones of that month. So you can see right here for this one, September, 833, 433. So you can see for this month, September, 433 is the cheapest, and 427. Then we have 459. It gets crazy, but yeah. And then October is also pretty cheap. So you can go ahead and set whatever date you want, and then you can go ahead and get a booking. Then you can also change them by coming over here onto your account details, by clicking on your account and then going into my trips or my bookings over here. And here in my trips, you'll find all the trips that you have, and then you can go ahead and change the date from there as well. There's also a limited times, and it also depends on the type of airline you've chosen. So if it's a certain airline, then you got to go ahead and talk to their customer service as well. But yeah, that's simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out the link in the description below to sign up onto Kiwi.com. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.